Vellux wireless communication systems. Call system monitoring software. Call system monitoring software, designed to complement your Vellux installation, provides the latest in analytical techniques for streamlining your service design. Using the most advanced cloud-based technology, the call system monitoring software opens a whole new world into detailed performance efficiency by tracking and recording vital analytical data live from your Vellux system and making it available remotely with no need for you to be on site. Used in conjunction with your Vellux wireless communication installation, everything you need to know about response times, busiest areas, most used areas, service levels and client service experience is only a mouse click away. Operation research used to be time-consuming, tedious and inaccurate, but with the Vellux wireless paging solution and call system monitoring software, service and production management can be monitored remotely, analyzed, compared and refined to their maximum efficiency levels. The online software dashboard provides access to all tools required to draw accurate, minute-by-minute reports on all instances, calls and responses, whether it be security calls, bedside nurse calls, next customer calls, supervisor calls, or service calls from any department. You are instantly able to view exactly how many calls were made in a day, or a week, or any time period you specify. View response times, which shifts, areas or staff responded quicker. Instantly identify where problem areas are, which exact or average times, shifts, staff, areas and branches are busiest or slowest. Instantly identify over or understaffing areas. Rearrange department locations to refine response times or where training is required. From any remote location, instantly compare the performance data of multiple branches, departments, shifts or staff using either the graph form or trends format. Detailed display tables indicate all buttons activated, how long response times were, how long it took to resolve the problem, how long a service took to complete and how often, which calls were not responded to, which calls response times fall outside your personal preset parameters, what calls being made and responded to in real time. Identify potential customer complaints before they become complaints. Highly efficient forecasting, scheduling and capacity management are easily achievable when accurate statistics and management science analytics are readily available. Let Vellux and the call system monitoring software do all the information processing for you. No hassle, no fuss, no time wastage. Everything you need to know, instant, accurate, just a click away. Vellux wireless communication systems. Good communication is vital for success.